Hi friends, I hope you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I have uploaded more than 600 videos in my YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I'll show you how to do it. Just press the subscription button and then press the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. See this parrot taking a ramp walk on the top of the coconut tree. It is having such great fun, screeching loudly, thinking it is top of the world, king of the universe. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall and Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Don't worry, birds can never fall from any tree. They'll just fly away, that's all. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you.